Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display page title dynamically in Avada WordPress. So we are in page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a feature image section or page title bar. So we are using layout. Now you see Avada builder. So this is a layout. So we are going to display page title on all pages dynamically. So we don't need to add individually. So we are going to add dynamic page title. Now you see page and then you see element. So click on it. Now go to design element. Now in search element, write title. Now select. Now you see title type. Now you see title. So we are going to add dynamic data for page title. Now you see database icon, dynamic data. So click on it. And then you see select dynamic data, drop down, now select. Now you see multiple options. So we are going to display page name or title. Now select title. Now add it. If you want, you can add text before, after. So it's up to you. If you want, you can enable this title link. Now go to design. Now make it center. HTML heading tag H1. So you can select font family. So we select font family, variant, font size. So you can add styling according to requirement. Font color. So we are going to set white. If you want, you can add text shadow, stroke, overflow, margin. So it's up to you. Now go to extra. If you want, you can add some animation type. Now you see design. And then click on save. So we are going to display in center. In center align. Now you see container option. So click on it. So we are in general and then you see column alignment. Now make it center and then we are going to set column justification center and then click on save and then click on update. Now done. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now you see dynamic page title show. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.